Hey everyone, and welcome back. We talk a lot on this show about, well,
How to get ahead, right?
exactly, and today
Especially in this job market.
is no exception. It's tough out there,
It really is.
and we're diving into a tool that could be a game changer, honestly.
I think so. Yeah, for sure.
It's called RoleCatcher.
Have you heard of this one?
I've been hearing more and more about it, and honestly, I'm impressed.
It's pretty amazing, especially
The fact that it's free.
yeah.
Yeah.
You get so much without paying a cent. It's kind of crazy.
Okay, so for our listeners who maybe haven't heard about it, let's break down
Yeah, what is RoleCatcher?
what is RoleCatcher? What is it all about?
In a nutshell, it's like imagine having a
Hold on, can I just add? It's like having this secret weapon.
Okay, yes. And it's free,
That's the thing. It's like this AI-powered ally
helping you every step of the way.
from finding the right job. Like,
Because who has time to scroll through endless job boards?
seriously. To like prepping for interviews.
The interview prep alone is worth checking out. They have this massive
Is it like over 100,000 questions or something?
something like that, yeah. But it's not just about the questions, it's the AI feedback.
Which is huge. Because it's one thing to practice.
Right. But to actually get feedback on your delivery,
That's invaluable. And
Yeah.
they have like resources for different
yeah, different career paths. It's not just for like
Silicon Valley types.
exactly. Like they even have stuff for, say, a truck driving instructor.
Which I thought was really cool. It shows they're trying to help everyone.
Everyone, yeah.
Not just those,
For the usual suspect.
the usual suspects, yeah. And it's not just about finding a job.
Right.
It's about getting your application seen.
Yes. Especially with these, what are they called?
The applicant tracking systems.
Yeah, those things. ATS, I think.
It's like you're up against robots sometimes.
It's true. Your resume just disappears into the void.
Exactly.
Well,
Unless
RoleCatcher helps with that.
that's what's so cool. They have this whole thing called, I think it's skill gap analysis.
Okay, so it like tells you what you're missing.
It analyzes the job description and compares it to your resume.
So you know exactly what skills to highlight.
Right. No more guessing games.
That's huge because I feel like in the past it was all about
Just throwing everything at the wall and seeing what sticks.
yes and hoping for the best.
But this is different. This is data-driven. I like that. So it's not just
Hope and a prayer.
exactly. And they have that other feature, the
You mean the get discovered option?
yes. That one. Tell me more about that.
Okay, so imagine this. Instead of you applying to hundreds of jobs,
Which would be so time consuming.
the employers actually come to you.
Wait, what? How does that even work?
So you create this profile, right?
Okay.
And it's got all your skills, experience,
I
everything.
have a supercharged resume.
Exactly.
Hmm.
And employers can search for candidates based on those things.
So if you're a match,
They reach out to you.
that's amazing. It flips the script completely.
It really does.
So you don't even have to be like actively looking
Right. You can just be open to opportunities.
and let RoleCatcher do the work for you.
Pretty much. Now, this is all with the free version, by the way.
Right, which is already incredible, but
But they also have this premium option.
tell me more.
It's called Copilot AI. And it's like,
Like having your own personal career coach
even better, it takes everything we've talked about
to the next level.
to the next level.
It's funny though, even with all this, like,
All bells and whistles.
yeah, all this amazing AI, it still feels like
Human skills are key.
totally, like RoleCatcher can give you all the tools,
The map, the compass,
but you still have to,
navigate the ship.
exactly, you're the captain.
That's a good way to put it.
So it's not about replacing humans, it's more like,
Giving them superpowers.
yes. And I think that's what's so exciting about this whole thing.
It's not just about automation, it's about empowerment.
And giving people the confidence to adapt.
Take control of their careers.
Exactly. Because at the end of the day,
People hire people,
they really do.
no matter how advanced the technology gets.
That human connection, that spark.
It's irreplaceable.
So as we wrap up here,
Big takeaways.
what's the one thing you hope listeners remember about RoleCatcher?
I'd say don't be afraid to embrace the future.
Because it's here.
It's already here. AI is here to stay, but it's not the enemy.
It's a tool.
Use it to your advantage
Level up your job search.
and find that dream career.
Couldn't have said it better myself. That's it for today's deep dive.
Until next time.
Happy job hunting, everyone.